Welcome back. We are now going to collaborate on presentation slides using Google Docs. And what we'll need to do is we'll need to go to the main menu. We'll need to pick Google Slides. Once Google Slides is open, we'll need to pick a blank presentation. And then we'll go to our File menu. We'll then open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can actually have help to work on the presentation by sharing the document, just as we have in all of the other Google Docs. You can also chat with other people who are working on the document. You can also have comments. And you can also have a chat as long as the person is signed in to the document that you are collaborating with. And you can see the collaborator's inbox that they can open a chat. Now, the primary way that you'll be collaborating with a presentation will be with an audience, either a small audience or a large audience. And what you'll be using is the presenter view with Q&A and speaker notes. If you open it up, you'll notice that the presentation will then be playing on the screen, possibly on a projector. And what you'll be doing is you will be collaborating with the people in the audience. You can do that by clicking the Start New area. And you'll notice then that you have a URL that you can give to people where they can ask questions. And if you copy this URL, and you're going to display it to your audience. And as you go through your presentation, they will see that they can actually ask questions at this URL. So you'll note that whether the person wants to ask their question anonymously or as their identity, they can then click Submit. In your audience tools, you'll then see that question on your side, and you can then answer the question as you actually present. So using the audience tools is a great way to be able to collaborate with your audience while you are actually delivering your presentation. Other people in the presentation will see the question and they will up or down vote it based on what they feel to be its relevance. And you can make that question visible by clicking the Present button. And then the audience will then see the question that was asked, and then you can actually answer that question out loud. And when that question is presented, this is what your audience is actually seeing on the screen. They're actually seeing the question, and they're seeing who asked it. When you have completed the period where you're going to take questions, you can turn off the questions and continue your presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.